Save Manipur. Save Manipur.
Save the land.
Save the forest.
Save the tree.
Manipur.
The land of jewels once. A place where rivers carried songs, where forests breathed beside our hearts, where mountains stood like guardians of memory, and the wind carried the voices of our ancestors. But now, the hills burn beneath silent skies, the rivers choke beneath poison rain, and the green that raised generations slowly disappears into smoke and ash.
Save the trees. Save the land. Stand together. Protect our forefathers' land.
Don't you love? Don't you still feel the love of our childhood days?
Shall we stand silent while our land keeps burning? Shall we close our mouths without a single word? Hatred spreads everywhere, fake history spreads like poison. Shall we remain like the deaf and the blind, watching everything fade into ashes? Do you love Manipur? If you truly love Manipur, then why do you remain weak? Be strong, wake up. Manipur is still burning. Do you hear Manipur is crying? Do you feel the pain of Manipur? Can you see the wounds beneath her mountains?
Oh Delhi,
Are you blind?
oh tell me,
Are you still deaf?
don't you have a heart?
Why do you stand like stone?
Save Manipur.
Before the forests disappear, before the rivers drown in tears, save Manipur. Hear the mountains screaming loud, hear the voices through the clouds. Stand together side by side, do not let our homeland die. Raise your voices, raise your hands, protect the land of our forefathers. Save the trees, save the rivers, save the hills, save our future.
Oh Manipur, my lovely home, my sweet estate, a beautiful land beneath the rain,
A heartbeat sleeping beneath the mountains, a beauty no empire could ever create. No place on earth could ever feel like you. How can they fail to see your beauty? How can they destroy what generations protected? One day, when the forests are gone, when the rivers run black, when the mountains stand empty and silent, what will remain? Money cannot replace a living forest. Power cannot recreate a dying river. And no government can rebuild a broken heart. If we lose Manipur, we lose a part of humanity itself.
Save Manipur.